Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling app backup and selecting the storage account you will use. Make sure you grant file and contact permissions so the app can read everything it needs. Once done, choose Wi-Fi only or cellular and tap Backup Now to start indexing. This first run collects metadata and estimates size. You need this initial index for reliable incremental updates, so don't interrupt the process. If prompted, accept encryption and set a passphrase to protect the backup. Next, choose precisely what to include. App data, media, and device settings each affect time and storage. Opt for incremental backups to save bandwidth or full backups when you need a complete snapshot. Schedule daily or weekly depending on change rate. Make sure retention policies are set so old backups purge automatically. Also enable encryption for sensitive data and confirm the storage account has enough quota, since failed writes cause partial backups and inconsistent restores if space runs out. When restoring, select the correct backup date and the exact items you need. Begin with a smaller restore if you're uncertain. Once restored, open key apps and files to verify settings, accounts, and media integrity. If something is missing, rerun the restore for that item or import manually from exported files. One key troubleshooting tip: if restore fails, check app logs and storage permissions, ensure the encryption passphrase is correct, and confirm network stability before retrying to avoid partial restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.